The subject of today's video is how to succeed with your affiliate marketing programs on TikTok. Hello, my name is Don Novak, and this is my video diary series of my experiences as an affiliate marketer. Please click on the thumbs up button below and subscribe to my channel for weekly video updates on the world of affiliate marketing. Thank you. I'm a student of John Crestani, Devin Brown, and Anthony Morrison, and I want to pass on to you what works for me and what does not. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing involves earning a commission from 5 to 50% of the sale price by promoting a product or service made by another retailer or advertiser. Affiliate programs are usually free to join, so you don't have to worry about high startup costs. However, beware of any affiliate programs that charge you to join. Do your research first. Now, how to make money on TikTok with your affiliate marketing programs. TikTok is as close to an ideal platform for affiliate marketing as you're likely to find. First, it's extremely popular with as many as 80 million active viewers in the US alone. The large user base means that you could potentially view and share your content with a broad and diverse audience. The short video format of TikTok enables you to demonstrate products in real time, or at the very least, visually showcase them. Therefore, the brief recordings, 3 minutes or less, 60 seconds seems to be the sweet spot, can be more impactful for viewers than simply reading about them in a blog post or watching a lengthy YouTube video. With that being said, you can also place your affiliate links in video descriptions, but you must have a TikTok business account so that users can get the same ease of access as a written format. The loose, casual nature of TikTok short-form videos means that you can produce a large amount of content for a relatively small investment. All you need is your smartphone and a minute of your time. You can undoubtedly get fancier with your setup and prep work. However, a professional environment and equipment aren't necessary for a successful TikTok video. You can upload free public videos and photos from Pexels.com. That's if you don't want to be on camera yourself. Pexels.com, that's P-E-X-E-L-S, Pexels.com. And you don't have to appear in the videos yourself. Just use Pexels.com videos. You can find examples of affiliate marketing all over TikTok, especially when you know what to look for. In addition, many content creators slip product mentions or showcases into their regular channels. The specific audience makeup of TikTok greatly determines which niches are popular on the platform. According to Statista, the following niches are currently ranking highest on the TikTok platform. Number 1 would be entertainment. 2, dancing. 3, pranks. 4, fitness and sports. Then home renovation and DIY projects. Then beauty and skincare. Followed by fashion, cooking/baking. Life hacks, advice, pets, and finally outdoors. The TikTok is dominated by young people aged 16 to 24. So don't waste your time and money for targeting much older audiences over 30 years of age. The platform doesn't allow adding clickable links to TikTok videos. Fortunately, there are several ways to get around this problem. Excuse me. Add YouTube and Instagram links to your profile and nudge your followers to follow you on other social media that allow placing affiliate links. Another way is to use promo codes in your videos. Then the best way, of course, is to switch to the business account in TikTok to add a URL to your bio. You can also add non-clickable URLs to your content description. It is also important to keep in mind that organic reach is one of the most vital factors determining the success of your affiliate campaigns on TikTok. This is because it allows you to build long-lasting relationships with your audience and boost brand awareness and engagement. Now, here are some hands-on tips to increase your organic reach on TikTok. 1. Post consistently and frequently. 3 to 5 times a week is an excellent place to start, as the app's algorithm favors it. Fortunately, you can do it hassle-free thanks to the platform's advanced editing features. Next, create top-notch compelling content that may be useful or entertaining for your audience. Then interact with content relative to your niche. For example, linking and commenting on videos related to your niche can help you reach out to more people and attract more attention to your content. Invite your audience from other social media to follow you on TikTok. Create valuable lead magnets to capture email addresses and boost your subscriber list. And then find out what's trending on TikTok and tap into the trends. Use relevant hashtags to help people discover your content. Start your own trend or challenge and invite people to join in. Team up with other creators. So what steps can you take to build a following on TikTok for your affiliate marketing business? 1. Be consistent. TikTok is all about short form videos, 15 to 60 seconds long, being posted on a regular basis. So content marketers and video creators need to create a video publishing schedule and stick to it like glue. Next, be smart. Creating a new trend is possible, but it's also a lot of work. So instead, analyze current trends and see if there's anything that works for your niche. And then tap into that and then network a lot. Here comes the same essential advice we give people looking to leverage social media platforms. Find people in targeted niches, buddy up with them, and find marketing opportunities to work together. Hashtag less. These aren't nearly as important on TikTok as they are on, say, Pinterest or Instagram. Just keep it to 2 or 3 hashtags per video. Any more than that is overkill. Repurpose traffic. Having tens of millions of views on your TikTok videos is excellent. But what's even better is migrating your subscribers over to a monetized YouTube channel to your email list via lead magnet. And more than anything else, remember the target demographic you're working for. These are later millennials and Gen Zers. It's not the same as marketing to Facebook or Twitter users. Strategies for effective affiliate marketing on TikTok. If you've decided to add TikTok to your affiliate marketing repertoire, the next step is figuring out where to start. Let's take a look at 4 tips you can use to make the most of the TikTok platform. 1. Choose your affiliate marketing products carefully. Although TikTok boasts a wide variety of users with varied interests and lifestyles, the overall demographic skews the young. In fact, over 60% of users are under the age of 30, and half of those users are under 20. It's wise to consider these age groups when deciding which products to promote on TikTok. For best results, we recommend sticking to products that appeal to millennials and Generation Z. Additionally, consider that these users may be less likely to have large amounts of disposable income. College students also make up a significant portion of the audience, so that price-conscious products might be worthwhile. However, you may also find that setting out your expectations for a larger number of small sales will also work well. Focus on building a robust TikTok channel. Affiliate marketing is essentially a numbers game. It's important to create strong content and present products appealingly. However, sales often come down to how many impressions you get on your videos. The more people see them, the more opportunities you have to convert. To get views needed for an effective affiliate marketing campaign, we recommend keeping up with and leveraging emerging trends. Use hashtags properly and sparingly on TikTok. Capitalizing on content that goes viral to build momentum. Encourage engagement on your videos and interact with your followers and viewers wherever possible. As your account gains popularity, it will rise in the TikTok algorithm rankings, helping you to reach an even larger audience. TikTok's live streaming feature is also fantastic for building a loyal fan base. Of course, you need to have a minimum number of followers to enable live stream channels on your TikTok account. However, once you reach that threshold, going live is an effective way to communicate with your followers directly. Next, consider paying for TikTok ads. As with most social platforms, TikTok offers the option to pay for promoted content. Promoted content guarantees a certain number of impressions. While these impressions don't necessarily mean you'll see the results you want, more sales, they definitely increase the odds. TikTok offers several different types of promoted content, including in-feed ads, branded hashtag challenges, and branded takeovers. The latter are ads that appear immediately when users open up the app. Prices can vary considerably depending on which type you choose. In fact, TikTok is among the most expensive social platforms to advertise. So be careful and be conservative and monitor your results. While the company doesn't officially publish its prices for most ad types, we know that the standard in-feed ads require a minimum spend of $50 per campaign and $20 per ad group. However, the more active types, such as branded takeovers, are considerably more expensive. In practice, the high price point means that most affiliate marketers and smaller brands want to stick to basic in-feed ads, which is fine. The standard ads are an excellent option for increasing your reach and guaranteeing additional impressions for your content. Next, work the product into your videos organically. If you spend any time on TikTok yourself, you'll probably notice that many content creators feature branded products in their videos. Often creators position the items quite prominently and sometimes don't directly mention them. Instead, they're simply in the frame of the video. New TikTok users might not notice them right away, as the placement is meant to be somewhat organic and subtle. However, it becomes easier to see certain brands and products pop up constantly in the videos from diverse creators over time. In conclusion with TikTok and affiliate marketing go together exceptionally well. Whether you already have a large following on TikTok and want to start earning income from it, or you're an affiliate marketer looking for a new platform, you can't go wrong by combining the two. Now, I'm enrolled in the Partner with Anthony training system, and my coach is Anthony Morrison, who is a giant in the online marketing business, and he has the dollar numbers and the $2 million ClickFunnels awards to prove it. Plus, Anthony has hundreds of cutting-edge YouTube videos and tens of thousands of YouTube followers. Anthony Morrison's complete affiliate marketing video training is a 30-step course with over 100 teaching videos that are the best and most up-to-date videos on the market. No internet stone is left unturned. Now, to get this world-class training from Anthony Morrison, click on the link below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again next week with more of my marketing video diary. Your comments are most appreciated. Give me a thumbs up if you like my video, and please click on the subscribe button below. This is Don Novak, and I'll see you next week with a new video to your continued affiliate marketing success.